Hey guys, it's Blake here. I just thought I'd give you a video review on the GT Works GTX tray that I got installed a couple of weeks ago. So I thought I'd give you guys a look at all the optional extras, what comes with it, and a bit more about the tray. Let's get into it. So to start it off, I've been getting a couple of messages and stuff on social media and asking about the weight it was with the tub on it compared to the weight it is now as you see it. So with the tub, it weighed in at 2.48 tonne. So that's pretty average. That was without the ARB canopy. That was with 3/4 of a tank and just myself in the car. So after the tray got put on, we went back and weighed it again, and it come in at 2.52 tonne. So only an extra 40 kilos. And when you think about it, there you got the side boxes. There's now a 20-litre water tank. There's a trundle drawer, a large trundle drawer. It can add a fair bit of weight. That was with, again, 3/4 of a tank and just myself in the car. So that should answer that one for you guys. And the dimensions. So this tray is 1800 long by 1840 wide, and the canopy that will be going on it is 1800 wide by 1570 long. So it'll leave a little bit here at the back. So yeah, pretty keen to get that on. Alrighty guys, so this tray, one of the extras that I got was the 20-litre water tank. It's mounted in the headboard. The filler is on the other side, and then you got the tap here. So the tray comes with like a PVC ready to go for a hose that you can just whack straight on there. Put on the brass quarter turn after the install. But it all works pretty good. The pressure, really good pressure actually. It's perfect for when you're out camping. You wash your feet, wash your hands, fill up the kettle, anything really. You can fill it up with drinking water. I'll show you guys what the inside of the water tank looks like. I've got clips there from the install, and you'll see inside there's these mounts, brackets inside that have holes in them, and what that essentially does is when you're driving and your tank's full of water, it stops it swooshing side to side vigorously, and you can sometimes fill that with headboard water tanks, but this one is really good design, and GT Works have nailed it on the head with that. So GT Works, they make everything you see on here, they make themselves, all fabricated themselves, and their own design. And what I love about these toolboxes is the design, how it steps down. You get a lot of clearance when you're out on the tracks as well. Plenty of room inside. They're all lockable. Not really sure what to put in them at the moment, but just got straps and compressor leads and stuff in the other one. But they're all watertight. Got the seals here. No dust gets in them. We've been coming through pretty dirty track, as you can see. The car's pretty dirty. No dirt, no dust, anything has gotten inside. So really happy with the toolboxes. There's two styles of wheel guards that they have, and also different sizes. So this is their new design. This has only come out just recently, and it's the size for a 33-inch tyre. So they make 33-inch tyre and 35-inch tyre. Difference, obviously the tyre size, it can fit the bigger tyres. Also, it pushes the side toolbox back a little bit. So this little gap here, you can minimise that with the 35s, but if you put 35 wheel arch on 33, it can look pretty weird. We put it on as a test fit on install, and it just didn't sit right with the tyre. So normally really popular for Land Cruisers, but on the Ranger this is just perfect for me. So one of my favourite features with the tray is when I had the tub and canopy, I just had drawers in the back, and they took up so much room, and I had to hold all my recovery gear, camping gear, food and everything, where GT Works make this huge 1.6 metre trundle drawer, and I just think it's stylish as. And so let's open it up and have a look. As you can see, it packs a lot of space, and the good thing is it's got the tabletop as well, and the struts. We opted for the top as well, just so we can use it, put the Weber on it, prep meals, do whatever. We can put little Harry on there on his little seat and feed him while we reverse up on the beach or anywhere. It's just really practical. It just adds a whole nother table. But if you have a look in here, it goes for miles. I've taken all the stuff of it out just to kind of show you what it looks like empty and how you get it, but easily fishing rods, obviously in half, and Max Tracks, recovery gear, everything, you name it, fits in there. So it frees up so much room for your canopy, and I think, yeah, they're a little bit pricey, but for touring and just day-to-day storage of things, these things definitely worth the money. So on this tray as well, the really handy thing that you might have noticed already, but they have these track systems on the side and also across the headboard. And what these track systems do is it allows you to put little eyelet bolts in here. This is how you mount the GT Works canopy, but you can put tie down points, anything you want. So if you've got motorbikes and you just want the tray, these track systems, you can mount them anywhere. And also if you come around here, you can see you can mount LED lights on there. It makes it really easy. You can slide it all the way across the headboard. Another thing that's super practical with these trays is I could take this tray off this Ranger and I can mount it to a Hilux, Mazda, Nissan, any other ute, and it's the thing that GT Works, they allow, because it's so universal and so everything's modular, everything's bolt on. If you don't want the side boxes, if you don't want the wheel arches, if you don't want the trundle drawer, you can all get that stuff later. Just makes it super practical as well, like it's quite expensive, four-wheel drive accessories and stuff like that, and this just makes it a lot easier for all us people to enjoy touring and camping and have good setups, and eventually we don't have to do it all at once. If we all had the money, I'm sure we'd all run out there and spend 100 grand on a four-wheel drive, but it's something that GT Works have thought about, and you don't have to go gun-ho for their ultimate package straight away. It's something you can definitely build up over time. And just wanted to show you what I was talking about with the universal mounts is just under here. Probably a bit hard to see, but you got these brackets and they're all along there. There's 3 brackets, pretty hard to see, but they just mount. There's 3 either side. They mount to the chassis, and that's what I was saying, with this can allow you to put it on any car you like. The under tray toolboxes, they mount, they bolt on straight under. It's easy as. The cool thing as well, they have 2 options if you prefer a little bit more red. At GT Works, their signature colours red and black. I've gone for the all black edition, but I'll show you little snippets of them changing. The little things you can change to red or black, and it's a personal preference. Same with the tail lights. There's a couple of options there. I think they have 3 options you can choose. So you're not set in stone. You don't have to. It's not off the shelf kind of thing. You can really customize your tray and do what you want with it. So that's a really cool thing about GT Works. Everything's bolt on. They've thought of everything, I believe, and my honest review so far, though I know it's only been a few weeks, but we've been out in the dirt roads, we've been on bumpy roads, no rattles, 110 k's an hour on the freeway, no noises, and I think they're built really well. And I'm stoked, and I can't wait to get the canopy on there, and we can start decking that out.